What is up? What is poppin', y'all? Come with me to the Beehive in Madison. Now, this chicken and margarita tower is definitely worth the visit. I will be back for this right here. It's the perfect portion for two. You can't go wrong. Now, keep watching to get my review.
You know, they need some dippers.
Drink first,
That whole time I was recording, huh? Look at my face. Y'all will tell me, right? Stop playing. It's fine.
These them type of drinks you gotta sip slow. But we had came out by the pool. It's such a vibe. Like, I definitely will be back for the pool. I wasn't just for the pool this time, but I definitely know for next time. They got games outside, booths. It's a vibe out here, as you can see. Them drinks was so good, we had to come back for a part two. I think I just found my new favorite spot on Thursdays. They got the food and they got the fun. And the DJ was playing all my songs. So the next time you in Madison, make sure the Beehive is your next stop.
I don't need a minute. I want to understand. I want to